What's up, Clyde Boy here from Kick-Ass Extreme. Right now I'm trying to check out my nephew's bike, his Honda motorcycle. I'm going to try to see if I can get it started. This is my first time working on a motorcycle, so check it out. I gutted it out, took out all the outside housing and everything. Now you can just see the engine. Let's check it out. See right there? Took out the whole seat and everything. Now you can just see all the engine parts, all the wiring, the carburetor, small little carburetor right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a small little carburetor, small tiny little thing. The engine right there, transmission, the housing for the belt or chain drive to spin the tire. So right now we're gonna check. I checked spark already, and I was getting spark. Now I have to check the fuel. See it's getting fuel to the carburetor. Then from there I'll have to work my way and find out the problem. Bunch of tools all everywhere, parts everywhere. Fender, the seat, storage compartment, yep. Trying to play mechanic today. Get this Honda motorcycle started up. Yep. This is Clyde Boy from Kick-Ass Extreme, signing off. See you guys later for next edition, Kick-Ass Extreme. Peace.